What's going on, guys? New day. I still gotta prep my car for tomorrow's Bakersfield event, and just want to show you guys Pick's car, what we did to it yesterday when we lowered it on the function forms. Moderately lowered, not too slammed, not super high, and he just got his tires mounted. These are S2K. What size are these?
225 50 16.
Yeah, 225 50 16 on, what is it, 16 by
7.5.
7.5 squared. So it's the same size all around, and right now we're just going to test one side. We don't want to fully throw the wheels on yet because I want him to get some camera kit and then go to alignment shot right away, so that way he don't chop out his new tires. And right now we just want to get a look on the S2K wheels. I think it's going to look pretty damn dope, so we're just going to go ahead and jack up one side, test fit it, see what we need to do as far as modification to the wheel well goes, and see how it looks. It's starting to rain right now. I just want to give you guys a quick little look on how hard this shit looks on S2K wheels, 225 with 25 mil spacers. This thing goes hard as hell. Now, if son would quit playing games trying to lift his car and keep the Prelude wheels on, hey, I think that'll be pretty badass. But you know what? We got a lowered car and we're gonna have a lifted one. So,
We gotta get high.
yee. Wow, rain's all over my camera. Looks good. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like the CRV on the S2K wheels. Oh my God, my camera's getting super soaked. Oh man. Yo guys, man, the weather's retarded. Look how nice and sunny it is right here. And it was just pouring a minute ago. And that's the cloud over there, headed south to Bakersfield. Better not rain over there tomorrow, because we're driving 4 hours to go race in Bakersfield. Okay guys, so the weirdest thing just happened right now. I was washing the car, popped the hood, had the car running, sprayed the engine bay down a little bit, and then while the car was running, I don't know what happened right here, but something broke off, got caught in my timing, and I don't know what happened. Look at my tensioner, it's not even tensioning on the belt anymore. I can move it around, I can shift it around. Timing didn't look like it skipped at all. It's about the same. Alternator belt's loose. My valve cover is literally cracked, bro. Look at this. I don't know what happened just now. I was literally washing it, and then I went to go put my hose away. I came back over here. Heard a loud ass clunky noise. You heard it too. And the car shut off. So I'm not exactly sure what happened here. I don't want to turn it on. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the valve cover off, inspect my timing, inspect my TDC marks, and if everything looks good, I'm going to try to retime it, tension it, and try to turn the car back on. It's stupid that this thing happens like when I'm prepping it for track. Well, we kind of went a little hard last night though, but yeah, but you know, hopefully everything checks out, because I am trying to race tomorrow. If not, maybe the VTEC head's going to come on sooner. So let's start tearing this apart. My belt's a little iffy. It's like I couldn't tension it any more than you know what I did right here. But car turns on, it doesn't sound like it has any bent valve or anything. I definitely do know now that I have a leaky downpipe, maybe broken somewhere, I don't know. But I'm gonna have to drive it a little bit later to figure out if this car runs the same before that whole bullshit just happened. But I'm happy it turned on. A couple things going on here. Car's running fine, but I was waiting for it to cool down so I can put another 12 nut on the downpipe just to see if it'll fix the exhaust leak. I got the 2 on the side already, but right here, yep, red light violation. The night we went to the track in Sacramento, the night that we got to the hotel, I was following Kerry, and yeah, well, I got the ticket. I don't think he got one, and you can clearly see I'm on the red light right there, right? Screw me. Check out my fine. Yep, that's right. So my fault, lesson learned. The cool thing is they offer, you know, payment plans, so that's I mean, it's not cool on my side because that's $500. But what I've been doing is I've been decapping injectors right here because when I do go VTEC head, I am going to need bigger injectors. These are the regular truck style. When you decap them, they're about 800, 900. And then I got the other ones right here, which are the flex style. And these right here, if you decap them, they flow about 1,000. So this is probably what I'm going to run with the B-twin VTEC. And I've already done, well, I've messed up one, and I did this one kind of wrong, but took 2 injectors to figure out how exactly to decap these. So hopefully I'll cover this in another video. Right now I got a bunch of them in here. We picked them up because they were pretty cheap in the yard, and I think we cleared them out. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with these guys over here, but Daniel just got his replacement turbo, and this right here is from the same US turbo systems on eBay. They ran out of the regular GT 3582R turbo, so they sent him a 12 blade billet wheel turbo. And yeah, well, this is a replacement for the CSS motor, and hopefully we clock everything correctly. Third time around. We're supposed to be picking up his motor yesterday actually, but we were pretty busy. But I gotta hit up guys and see what's the update on that, and hopefully we can get it all up in his car and running next week. So we just got some delivery from this fool right here. Went to NorCal to pick up the camera arms. These are True Hearts for the CRV, and Pick is going to throw these on right here. We're going to adjust it with my DIY camber gauge and try to get his car to be less of a camber in the rear so he don't destroy his tires before he gets to the alignment shop. So I'm going to have him do some work because the guy is trying to get his hands dirty. So, all right, y'all. So Pick just got his car lowered down on the True Hearts rear camera kits, and I'm going to have him move his car over to get out of the groove because it's slanted downward, right? And I have this from my RC car. It's a camber gauge, and what I did was I extended this so it can fit the, you know, the height of the tire or the wheel. And then pretty much it tells you right here plus minus 10 degrees. And what we're going to do with this is kind of gauge where his, you know, his camber setting is at right now, and try to get it more on the positive side. This is not accurate, obviously, right? Because this is for a toy, not for a car. But I got this edge right here as straight as possible, and I've already done the other side, which is -1 degree. And pretty much what you do is you just kind of put it on the floor. The asphalt is going to make it uneven, obviously, but you put this on the floor, and then you find the center. You turn this gauge until it touches the top of the tire, right? And then you close the knob. You get like a reading somewhat close to, no, kind of like a, what do you call it? An idea of where it's at, and it's at -1. Full contact. He is going to do his alignment tomorrow to get this more accurate for him. Hit the like button if you guys dig in the S2K wheels with the 615s on the CRV. Ooh, I miss my CRV. So I got my main necessities for track. My car is ready to roll tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock. Alex is ready to roll too. He's actually on his way here right now. I'm gonna let him borrow my slick, so he wants to take it and just kind of load it up in his car so I don't have to haul it in my CRX. And I am definitely going to continue this video on my trip to Bakersfield, just getting there, and then I'll make a whole separate video of the track event. And right now it's about what, 10:30. We're gonna grub up some tacos, bullshit a little bit more, and then I'm gonna have to crash road soon because I got a long ass drive ahead of me. I got my French toast in the kitchen. Oh no, it's gotta be full already. Look at the gas prices over here. God damn. We're about I would say like halfway there. Still got at least 2 hours to go. We're waiting for Marco because he's coming from a different city and we're driving on the same highway, so he's about 10 minutes out. Once he gets here, we'll keep headed towards Bakersfield. We are almost there, guys. So I just filled up because I thought I had no gas because my gauge don't read correctly. And this is Alex's car. We met up with Marco along the way, and we're about 30 minutes east, and we're gonna show up to the track here really soon.
Hi.
Ready, bro?
What's up?
Ready.
Are we?
Kind of tired, but I'm ready. Team no sleep.
All right.
Hey?
Team no sleep.
Man. All right, guys. So we made it here to the track for Maso Raceway in Bakersfield. We got Alex in the back. We got Marco right here. Yes, it is rear-wheel drive, GSR turbo, mid-engine, and I am going to end the video right here. I don't want to get you guys too hyped up. I'm going to keep the track video its own video, so you guys definitely stay posted for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.